welcome back to my channel. Today is another episode for the Take It or Leave It series, wherein I'm gonna review a makeup product for you. And this particular product that I have is only available in the Philippines, which means it's a local product. So if you wanna know my thoughts about this one, then just keep on watching. So I finally got my hands on the Sunnies Face lipstick, and this was given to me by my best friend Ariane. So if you're watching, thank you very much for this one. Thank you very much. And if you haven't watched our vlog together, then check it out on my previous video, and I'll leave the link down below or up here. So yeah, this is a local brand made by Philippine entrepreneurs. And actually, this is part of a long time running brand for sunglasses, hence the Sunnies Face. But this time they ventured out to makeup, and their first line of products for makeup is lipstick. And I have it in the shade 143. And today I'm gonna review about its formula and whatnot, because I don't have all the shades. I'm just gonna particularly focus on the shade 143. So it comes in a cute box. It has the color of supposedly the color of the lipstick that you're gonna get, and here's their logo. You have all the details here. Sunnies Face is cruelty free and paraben free, so it is formulated in Italy, but it is made in China. And some products are cruelty free but still manufactured in China, but they are not formulated there, hence the testing is not on animals. So we have here the date of manufacturing and then the date of expiry, which I think is good. Every makeup product should have that. And it says here that the expiry date is 2021, which is 3 years from its manufacturing date, which is 2018. And for a lipstick, that's like really long, because most of the lipsticks I own have shelf life of 1 to 2 years only, so that's a plus. This retails for 345 pesos, which I think is not too affordable, especially for college students like me and for mothers out there who are on a budget. But these are very hyped up, and well, let's see if it lives up to its hype. So this is the actual product. This is the packaging. It comes in a crystal frost-ish packaging, which is plastic. This is not the regular packaging though. This is just a revamped packaging for the holiday season. Regularly it comes in a cream white packaging. I'm just gonna insert a picture here. So yeah, I think I like the original packaging more. This doesn't look like it's 345 pesos, but I'm not the creative director, so yeah. But then I get it why they have it made in a crystal packaging, just so you know, like there's snowflakes and all that jazz, but we don't have snow here, so I don't get the point. Enough about the packaging. I'm gonna show you the actual lip product. Ta-da! And as you can see, for a 345 pesos, it's quite small. The amount of product that you get is small. There's a little bit of product here, but it doesn't go up anymore, so I don't know if I can fully consume that part. I hope so, but I don't know how to rotate that up. But aside from that, there's nothing special, I guess. It's supposed to be a fluffy, weightless, matte lipstick, like really matte. And from the actual product itself, it really looks matte, as you can see. There's not a sheen around the tube. This is again the shade 143, and I'm gonna swatch it for you. There, that's the shade. Can you see? It's a berry toned lipstick, but it still has some brown tones to it, some red ones, and some pink tone. So I guess this is a really good nude for morena skin tones like me, because it has a mix of everything. This shade reminds me of Maybelline's Touch of Spice in the Creamy Mattes line. That is my all-time favorite drugstore lipstick, which I immediately ran out of, but I haven't had the time to repurchase it again. But this is really similar. The color is really similar, and the feel of the product is really similar. So I'm gonna swatch it on my lips so you can see. Let's try to swipe it once. So that is one swipe of the lipstick, and as you can see, it is quite pigmented already. I can stop here and you can really see the color now. With one swipe, it covers everything. See, there's no patchy areas, and it's comfortable. The feel of the lipstick is comfortable, like they said. It's really lightweight, like if you purse your lips and then just leave it like that, you won't feel that you are wearing lipstick. So that's really something. They really live up to its claims. But aside from that, I don't think that this is quite special. Also considering that it is in a bullet lipstick, so its longevity is not that amazing, because most bullet lipsticks rub off when you eat oily food or when you drink water. But we'll see. I'm gonna test this out. I'll wear this all throughout my day and see how this performs. The formula is really creamy and it's quite matte, as you can see, but it's not the kind of matte that sucks in the moisture from your lips. It's not like that. It still is very moisturizing, and yeah, I like it so far. But it quite reminds me of the creamy mattes from Maybelline, only a little bit lightweight. Yes, that's it. It's a little bit more lightweight, but aside from that, it's quite similar to Maybelline's creamy mattes. And oh wait, there's one more difference. The creamy mattes has still a little bit of sheen or shine to the entire finish, but this one is like it's entirely matte, so there's that. But yeah, aside from that, they're quite similar. I don't think that this is quite similar to the powder mattes, maybe in appearance, but I find that the powder mattes are quite patchy on my lips. Like when I put it on, it's quite pixelized and I don't know, grainy. I don't know if that's just for me, but yeah, I find that powder mattes do tend to be grainy on my lips. But this one, this does not. It's quite smooth and it glided well on my lips. For the sake of, information, I'm gonna build this up. Although I really want to leave it here, I'm gonna build this up to a second layer. And with that second layer, it gives the color more opacity and it shows full on. But you don't need a second layer with this. Just one layer is good enough. So yeah. Wait, I forgot. This is marketed to be multi-purpose. So let's try it as blush. It can be used as blush because it doesn't set to be shiny or like slippery. It sets on a really matte finish, which is good. Let's try it on the eyes. Wow, this color is nice for the eyes and for that monochromatic look. It's easy to blend. Kind of like the Bite Beauty lipsticks. It reminds me of that because Bite Beauty lipsticks are marketed to be multifunctional as well. So I get the idea of this being an all-around lipstick. And they're an easy makeup look with just one product. And that is really a big plus for me, especially for me because I'm a college student and I'm always on the go and I don't have much time in the morning to get ready. So this one is a good product. So let's see if it will last on me the whole day. But its look on me right now is really cool and amazing, kind of like that aesthetic model-ish vibe, you know. So yeah. So guys, here is the situation of my lips after a milk tea. As you can see, there's still a bit of color on my lips. It's not really that horrible looking wherein I need to retouch. The color is still there, so thumbs up. Hey guys, I'm back finally for the final update, and it's now 7 in the evening, which means I have this whole Sunnies face thing on my face for about 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 hours. Yes, I have it on for 9 hours, and so far I didn't consume any meal. I only had milk tea and then french fries. So this is the situation on my lips, my eyes, and my cheeks. For my eyes, there's still a vivid color there, which is good, and take note that my eyelids are not that oily. However, on my cheeks, it faded a little bit, but you can still see the color, which is amazing because I usually get oily in this part of my face, so that's a bonus. And then on my lips, as you can see, it's still intact, and I was so shocked and surprised because I thought after consuming a 1 liter of milk tea and then after eating some french fries, it would be, wiped off. But as you can see, it's still there, and I didn't even retouch. So yeah, I think this is one of the most long-lasting bullet lipsticks that I own, aside from the Maybelline Creamy Mattes, because this one just leaves a stain after everything, so you won't need to worry about retouching so much. Let me just pull you in a little closer. As you can see, it did settle on my fine lines on my lips, but it didn't exaggerate it too much, which I think is good. And it kind of stained my lips, and if I rub it off or if I do pressing motions, it won't budge. So that's amazing. It feels like it clung to my skin on the lips, and it colors that particular area. So it's a surprise because this performs well for its longevity. So overall, will I recommend this product to you? Is it a take it or leave it? I think this is a take it, but however, bear in mind that you should purchase this product if you have extra money, because I think the very downside of this product is the price point. I mean, 345 pesos is not exactly the type of price that belongs to the really affordable ones, considering that it is really similar to the formula of the Maybelline Creamy Mattes, which is frequently on sale. I know the Maybelline Creamy Mattes are tagged in a regular price of 299 pesos. However, Maybelline does regular sale promos, which leads the lipsticks to be lower, about 199 pesos. So I think all in all, if you are on a budget, then skip this product and take the Maybelline Creamy ones instead. If you are ever curious of how this feels but you don't have the money to purchase it, then definitely go for the Maybelline Creamy Matte. Specifically for this shade 143 Touch of Spice is the on point dupe. However, does this justify the hype that I have seen going on all over the internet? Yes, it very much did. However, I don't think that it's that revolutionary, I mean, it's a great product, almost on par with high-end quality lipsticks like, MAC and what else? Urban Decay Comfort Matte lipsticks, but again, it has a dupe in the drugstore options. So, well, And then I also found another dupe for this particular shade. It's the Ever Belena's collaboration with Chris Aquino in the shade Loyal. Hold on, I'll get it. So I'm gonna swatch the Sunny's face. This is the Sunny's face. This is the dupe that I was talking about. This is for 250 pesos. It's a little bit pricier than the Maybelline Creamy Mattes, but considering that this is a liquid lipstick, this will last long. I find that the formula for this is very similar with this. This is very lightweight on the lips, and that is what the Sunny's Face Fluff Matte lipsticks are all about. It's fluffy, it's lightweight, and it's matte. So I'm gonna swatch the shade Loyal. See, it's very similar. This one has a little bit of more red tones to it than this one, but it's really similar, and on my lips you can't even tell the difference. So yeah, if I still think that this is a great product for its price, it's, I think, worth it. But I would even appreciate it more if they lower the price a bit down, like 250 pesos, because you get little product. I mean, this is not the standard amount of lip bullet lipstick in the market. This is, I think, how 3.2 grams, and most of the lipsticks that I own are at 3.6, 3.4, so this is really small. So for a quick rundown, the strong suits of the Sunny's Face Fluff Matte lipstick is its opacity, color payoff, longevity, and then its finish and feel on the lips. It really is comfortable, fluffy, and then it's matte. It's really matte, and then it is multifunctional as well. However, its cons are the amount of product that you get, the not so affordable price point, and then the limited shades available. I know it is marketed and targeted to be universally flattering, but I think that is not the case. I can only speak for this shade, and yes, this is very flattering for everyone, every skin tone out there, fair, medium, deep. However, I find that nudist is a little bit off the charts for me, and I swatched it personally. So yeah, I think they need to work on that. So I think they would need to lower that claim a bit. We have the limited supplies, or like stores. They only have 2 stores available nationwide, that is in UPTC and then Glorieta, and their online site is down, so you can't order from them. And then most of the time they are out of stock, so I don't get it. They are supposed to like cater to the needs of the people, but they always claim to be out of stock. Nevertheless, I am not the person to judge. Who am I? I'm just a consumer. But they do have restocked their products on Lazada today, and I believe in their store outlets as well. But as per experience, it will always be gone in an instant. So if you can get your hands on it, then get it. So yeah, that's a little bit of a con, especially for people who are busy and have hectic schedules. They don't have the liberty to go and seek the far stores, and yeah, their online site is always down and they don't have stocks whatsoever online. That is one huge fail on their part. Nonetheless, this is a nice product, so yeah, it's up to you now.
So I lost the outro clip, so I'm just gonna say goodbye through a voiceover. I hope to see you again on my next video, and then thank you for watching.